Good morning, children. Okay, so yesterday I have given you the notes of lesson number 17. Okay, now children listen very carefully. In lesson number 17, you have to write notebook notes and something in the textbook notes. Fine, there are no workbook notes. You have to cancel the entire chapter of workbook of lesson number 17. Don't ask me again and again why you have not given the notes of lesson number 17. Fine. So in lesson number 17, only two notes are there, that is of notebooks and textbook. No workbook notes. Nothing will be coming from the workbook. Okay, now today we are going to start with our next chapter, that is chapter number 18, water from different places. Okay, now children, before moving into the chapter, let me first tell you that water from different places. That means what? There are different sources of water from where we can get water. Fine. And the another thing is there are two kind of water on earth. The first water which is safe for drinking, which is fit for drinking, which we can drink it, and the next water, the second kind of water is which is contaminated, which we cannot drink. Suppose if we drink that contaminated, that water which is full of germs, what happens? We may fall sick and we may get a kind of diseases. Fine. So let's move into the chapter and see what is there in it. Okay, now Kripal was reading her book. When she heard someone at the door, she saw that there was a guest. Now Kripal, here there is one girl whose name is Kripal. She is reading the book, and somebody came at the doorstep and they knocked. Okay, and the person who came was the guest. So father told the brother, that is the Ruchan, the boy, to bring the cold drink for the guest. Okay. Now the guest said, I will not take cold drink, I want a glass of water. Now there are some kind of people who doesn't prefer cold drink. Okay, so this kind of guests were like that only. They said, no, we don't want to drink cold drink. Okay, we want only a glass of water. Now what the father replied? Let's see. Father said, these days we are not getting water that is fit for drinking. Okay, now what father said. Why the father has ordered cold drink? Because the place where they were living, okay, at that place the water which is coming for drinking, it is not fit for drinking. It is a contaminated water. Children, listen to my words. It is a contaminated water. Contaminated water means what? Dirty water which is having a lot of germs in it. Okay. So now it does not even look clean. Now some water looks clean but still it is dirty. But here the water itself doesn't look clean. It would be better if you do not drink this water. We do not have a choice, so we drink it. Now here the father is telling that we don't have a choice. Okay, whenever we feel thirsty, we need to have cold drink only because we don't have water for drinking. Now, can you think that this is only there in this is the scene only in the chapter? No, children. This is the scene, okay, still prevailing, still existing in India in some part of villages. Okay, listen to my words. This situation is still prevailing. It is still there. It is still existing. Okay, there are some kind of villages which are more far away from the cities. Okay, fine. There, still people are not getting clean water. Still, that people in the news, news, it is came to know that some people are there over such and such area. They are not getting water. So they are drinking dirty water. Then some people are there who are not getting even the crops also. So they are eating very dirty things. Fine. So this is the situation. Okay. So that's it. The next part we will discuss tomorrow. Now you have to read the chapter by yourself and complete the notes till lesson number 17.